Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning January 30th to February 5th, 2023, using this SBC January 2023 mystery kit. I paired it with the foil that came with the mystery kit, which was this sparkly red cross press strawberry foil bundle. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So this was the week of my 27th birthday, which was on a Sunday. So that was the main thing happening this week. And also on the 31st was my 9-year dating anniversary with my husband. So I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the rest of the base to some music, and I'll be back for the day by day. Enjoy. Okay, so now that the base is finished, let's get into the day by day. So starting with the sidebar, I used this sticker from Fox and Cactus that said "Help me, I'm old," and a script that I made to note that it was my 27th birthday. So on Monday, I first noted waking up early with an alarm clock icon from the foil bundle. I then noted having some breakfast with this toast sticker from Paper and Milk. Then noted that Malik had some playtime with these baby feet icon stickers from, I believe it's from an SPC foil bundle. And then I used this car sticker from Make Plans to note that this was the day my husband had his driving test, which had been on back like so delayed since COVID. So it was so hard to find test days. So I was so glad he finally got it over and done with. I then used this planner from Lina Designs to note a Plan With Me binge. I used these balloon icons from Planner Face, I think, to note that he passed his driving test. I then used this burger sticker from the foil bundle to note, again, takeout. The takeout script is also from the foil bundle. And then I noted packing up the last bits and bobs from my mum's house into my car, because his driving test was in London, so we stayed the night at my mum's so that he could do it. So we were just packing the last little bits of things that we left over the previous week. Then noted going home with a house sticker from what's it called, the Honeybee shop. I then noted unloading the car with this box icon from the foil bundle. And I next noted that we had some family cuddles with this Make Plans sticker and a script from Randy.Plans. The bottom part of the day, I noted a YouTube binge with this PlanWithAds YouTube laptop and a binge watch script from the foil bundle. I then noted playing with some stickers with this Papershire sheet and a play with sticker script from myself. And then finally I noted watching Love Island with a TV icon from the doodle sheet from SBC and a Love Island script from Lina Designs. So that was Monday. Moving on to the 31st, Tuesday. First I noted that it was my 9-year anniversary with my husband, so I used a sticker from Also Paper. It was a custom sticker that we custom designed, which she doesn't have anymore because I want to do a new one with my locks as well, because I have locks now, which is a shame, but it's okay. It still looks like us. To note 9 years, and I used the anniversary script from Planner Hannah to note that, and a custom 9 years with Joe also that I made. The note that he was working from home this day with a laptop icon from the foil bundle. and a J working from home custom script from Make Plans. In the extender, I noted being tired AF with this pajama sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. and a tired AF script from Planner Hannah. Then noted having some breakfast with this sticker from Cardi Plans. I then noted my morning cup of tea with another icon from the foil bundle, and then that Malik was having some playtime with this baby girl icon also from the foil bundle. Next, I noted a plan with me binge with the planner from the doodle sheet. I noted having a phone call about the sofa that we were waiting for delivery and asking when it would come, because it was like the last thing that we were waiting for. I used the phone from the foil bundle to mark that. I then noted organising stickers with this like sticker packages box from the doodle sheet and an organised sticker script from Planner Hannah. And finally, well not finally, in this section I noted buying myself and my son's party outfits for his birthday party with this shopping bag icon from SBC. To note that at the bottom of the day I noted a planning sesh with a planner from Lina Designs and a planning sesh script from the foil bundle. I then noted setting up my iMac on my planning table with this iMac sticker from Paper Candy Art. And then noted a YouTube binge with my husband with this PlanWithAds YouTube laptop and a script from Make Plans. And then finally I noted another Love Island binge with a TV icon from SBC and a script from Lina Designs. Moving on to Wednesday, which was the 1st of February. So the first thing I marked was Hello February with this balloon icon from the foil bundle, and then a Hello February script from Happy Sticker Designs, who I do PR for. So use my code ADIATO15 to get 15% off of your order and my foil freebie. Next, I noted that my husband was working from home again with this laptop from the doodle sheet and a script from Make Plans. I noted sleeping in with this pillow icon, and I think it's from Sweet Ava's Paper or from the Honeybee shop, I don't remember which one, and a sleeping script from the foil bundle. Then used this loaf of bread icon from Paper and Milk to note having some breakfast. Then noted my morning cup of tea with this like hot teacup drink icon from the foil bundle. I noted cuddling with Malik with this Make Plans girl and a cuddle script from Happy Sticker Designs. Then noted having Malik having some more playtime with these baby footprints icons from OK Plans. I noted taking a bath with Malik with this bath sticker from the foil bundle and a with Malik script from Planner Hannah. I used another Lina Designs planner to note Plan With Me binge, and then I used another Make Plan sticker to note Daddy Sun Time, and the script is from Planner Hannah. Also, I used this planner cart icon, I think it's from Better Plan Ella from a freebie, to note doing some planning. The plan script is from Make Plans, and then I noted watching more Love Island with a TV icon from the foil bundle and a Lina Designs script. Moving on to Thursday. So first I marked that it was my cousin's birthday with a balloon icon from SBC and a happy birthday script from Happy Sticker Designs. I then noted that my husband was in the office with his laptop icon from the foil bundle and a Jane office custom script from Make Plans. I noted that Malik woke up crying for his dad with this sticker from ScribblePrintsCo. I then noted having my morning cup of tea with another doodle from the doodle sheet. I marked cuddling the same way I did the previous day with a Make Plans icon and a Happy Sticker Design script. I noted another Plan With Me binge with another Lina Designs planner. These Lina Design sheets, the colours matched every single day. I loved it. I then used this heart icon from SPC to note that was missing my husband. I noted that I paid for Malik's birthday cake with this cake icon. I think it's from the doodle sheet, I'm not sure. It's definitely from SBC there, to note that. I then noted organising his room with another baby footprint icon from OK Plans. I noted that he was super grumpy this day with a Joy of Planning sticker. I noted getting some takeout. Judging by the sticker, it was probably dessert because I used this waffle from Paper and Milk to note that, and the script is from Planner Hannah. I noted watching more Love Island with a TV icon from SBC and a script from Lina Designs, and then I noted playing with stickers with the sticker sheet sticker from the foil bundle. Moving on to Friday. So on top of Friday, I noticed that my husband was working from home again with this house icon from SBC and a script from Make Plans. I noted that Malik was super grumpy again with another Joy of Planning sticker. I noted my morning tea with this teacup icon from SBC, and then noted playing with stickers with this sticker sheet sticker from Planner Face. Yeah. I then noted cuddling again the same way I had the rest of the week. And then I noted Plan With Me binge with another Lina Designs planner. I noted playtime with another footprint sticker from OK Plans. And then finally I noted Love Island with like a laptop or TV or computer screen icon from the Foyer bundle and a Love Island script from Lina Designs. Moving on to Saturday. In the extender, the first thing I noted was sleeping in with that same pillow that I used on, what day was it? Wednesday? And a sleeping script from Make Plans. I noted breakfast again with another Carly Plan sticker. I used this sticker from, it's a really old sticker from Sweet Ava's Paper to note my morning tea. And then I used another Lina Designs planner to note a Plan With Me binge. I noted playtime with Malik with this sticker from Papershire. And then I noted getting ready with this Make Plans girl. Then I noted something really annoying me. It was probably my husband, to be honest, with this whatever Munchkin Thoughts with Love. And then I noted going to Costco with this grocery cart icon from the Foyer bundle. Then I driving to my mum's house with this car icon also from the Foyer bundle. And then I used this Bubba Bear Studios grandma to note that Malik was with his grandma. And this is a custom script from Tina Journals. I used a box from the Foyer bundle to note that we got, as we were at my mum's house, there was still a couple of things that didn't fit in the car the last time, so we grabbed those things. I noted going back home with this house icon from the Foyer bundle, and then playing with some more stickers with, so probably this was organized stickers and playing with stickers, I don't know, with the sticker sheet sticker, I think it's from the doodle sheet. And then I used this controller sticker from Fox and Cactus to note that my husband was gaming, and this script is a custom script from Make Plans. On to Sunday. So this was my birthday. The first thing I marked on Sunday was being really sleepy with this pajamas sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. And a Sleepy Mama custom script from Planner Hannah. I then noted it was my 27th birthday with this scribbler, well, the old school scribbler from SBC. I used this phone from the doodle sheet to note having like phone calls from family, and I used a family time script from my old Caress Press Foyer bundle to note that. I then used this pillow icon from Carly Plans and a sleeping script from Make Plans to note sleeping in. I noted having a big breakfast with this Papershire vanilla. And then I noted cuddling with Malik with the same stickers I used the rest of the week, Make Plans and Happy Sticker Designs. I used a planner from the Foyer bundle to note a Plan With Me binge, and then a PlanWithAds YouTube laptop to note a YouTube binge, and I used the script from Make Plans to note that. I had a Tesco delivery this day, so I used a grocery cart icon from the SBC Foyer bundle and a script from Planner Hannah to note that. I used a Make Plans sticker to note and Daddy Cuddles, and the script is from Adorably Amy Designs. Next, I marked washing my hair with this Pink Diamond Planner Co sticker and a wash hair script from Planner Hannah. I noted watching Grey's Anatomy with this first aid kit icon from the Foyer bundle and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. Then noted retying my hair with this retie tool icon from PMD Stickers, which I don't think I put on camera because it didn't come in yet. I then noted watching more Love Island. I used a Netflix TV laptop icon from the doodle sheet, even though it wasn't on Netflix, just because it was red and I didn't want to waste it. And the script is from Lina Designs again. I then noted watching After Sun, since it was Sunday, with this icon from PMD Stickers. And finally I noted not being able to sleep with this alarm clock icon from the Foyer bundle and a Can't Sleep script from SBC. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of the spread, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.